Lens tint in a can. Translucent black coating for off-road use only. Well, we're not going to use it for off-road use, but I just realized it said that after I bought it. But here's the regular lens.
It's running.
And
It's running.
It'll dry. I'll smooth it out. And then here is it after we spray it. I'll give you guys a look at it after it dries and everything with the lights on at night. But one more. Here's your regular lens, standard bright red, and then the blacked out. It's kind of useful because you can't get the lenses like that for this car, so it's kind of useful if it actually works and is durable. But yeah, I guess we'll see when time tells when it dries. All right, so after doing the spray job, this is what they turn out like. Also did an update on the rocker panels. As y'all can see, not fully done yet, but we're getting there. We are definitely getting there. See? It's this one too. I think it turns out pretty well. Just did the foam and Bondo trick to it. Gotta put a little more Bondo on it, sand it back down a little more. I think after another treatment that way, I think it'll work. I think it'll smooth out and look pretty well. Look like it's supposed to, etc. So make sure, guys, if you like this content, to give it a thumbs up. Thank you and have a nice day.